National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Jefferson County, west central Hamilton County, northeast County until 6 p.m. At 5:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Red Lake area, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected.
Tonight's adventure, we think you... Okay.
Yes. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.